Hello, welcome back to my channel. Now in this tutorial I'll be using a thread and needle, button, pair of scissors, then a piece of cloth. Okay, so I started by measuring the length of my piece of cloth. Now the piece of cloth I'll be using 24.5 inches length and 3.5 for the width. Okay, so I'm ironing it to straighten the fabric. So now I'm going to fold the ends for about 1 centimeter, both ends of the cloth or of the fabric, about 1 centimeter. After doing that, I'm going to fold the fabric itself. Then press it down or iron it. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're new to this channel. If you like this video too, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below anything you didn't understand. And please don't forget to share. Okay, we are done with ironing. We are going to thread our needle. So I've threaded a needle. I cut off the excess after tying it. Then I'm going to sew one end. Alright. Now, after sewing up to the end and tying it, I'll start by sewing the length of the piece of cloth, and I will leave spaces for about 1.1 inches. And sew up to the end of the length of the fabric. Okay guys, so we are done sewing the end. So I'll continue by pushing out the thread from the fabric. To get our flower, just continue by pushing the thread out of the fabric. So here we are. Now flower is almost done. So I'm going to join the two ends. After pulling out the thread to form our flower, I'll sew the ends. Okay, I'll join the two ends by sewing it together. Okay, we'll tie the last stitch. Okay, this is done, so I'll cut the excess thread off. Total of flower is almost done. So I'm going to add the pattern to the top of the flower and sew it down. Okay, after sewing it down, I'll cut off the excess thread. So this flower, you can put it on top of a slipper, or you can attach it to your dress. And this is I'll be adding it to a pair of slipper. Now if you want to know how I covered the slipper with satin bias, I'll leave the video link in the description box below. So I'm sewing it down on the slipper through the bias. Congratulations, we are done with the slipper. Please subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.